So this beautiful rose was brought to us the other night from a friend, came for dinner, and was very kind. A lovely rose, got beautiful little tint to it, look, around that subtle pink. Now, here's the thing, you'd look at that and you'd think, oh yeah, what a lovely rose that is, look at that. Now look, this is a trick that the horticultural gang use a lot. In fact, you've got 4 roses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just look through and you'll see. It's a very fast way of growing things in a protected environment to make it look bushy, which it wouldn't otherwise do. But my advantage with this is that this beautiful rose I will now divide. I've already hardened it off by having it outside, and I will put it in this large pot. Gave me an excuse to buy that beautiful pot. And they will bush out nicely in there. So you can look out for these plants if you want. It's not always the case, but more often than not, it is. Many plants acting as if they're one.